One bright and cheerful Saturday morning, Kim and Kingsley bounced out of bed, excited for the day ahead. Their parents had promised a fun trip to the park, but before that, they had one important mission: making breakfast. "Breakfast is the most important meal of the day," said Mom as she tied her apron. "It gives you energy to run, jump, and play," Dad added. Kim and Kingsley exchanged glances. "But how do we make it?" Kingsley asked, scratching his head. Mom smiled. "Let's go on a breakfast adventure." Step 1. The fruit hunt. Kim and Kingsley dashed to the fridge like detectives searching for clues. "Look! Bananas, apples, and strawberries," Kim said, pointing at the fruit basket. "Fruits give us vitamins to stay healthy," Kingsley declared proudly. They carried the fruits to the counter, where Mom showed them how to wash them properly. Kim picked up a knife, but Mom stopped her with a wink. "Let's start with something safer," she said, handing her a butter knife instead. Carefully, Kim sliced the bananas into small circles while Kingsley plucked the green leaves off the strawberries. "This is fun," Kingsley said. Kim giggled. "No eating the ingredients, Kingsley." Step 2. The Toast Challenge. What goes well with fruit? Kingsley asked, rubbing his chin. "Bread," Kim shouted. "Good choice," Dad said. "Grains like bread give us energy for the day." They each took a slice and placed it in the toaster. Pop! The golden brown toast shot up, making Kingsley jump. "Whoa! That was fast." Kim carefully spread some peanut butter on her toast. Kingsley chose honey. "A little drizzle for extra yum," he said, making sure not to spill. Step 3. The egg surprise. Mom opened the egg carton. "Who wants to crack an egg?" Kingsley raised his hand first. "I got this." He tapped the egg against the bowl, crack, and splat. Half of the egg landed in the bowl, and the other half right on the counter. "Oops," Kingsley said, laughing. Kim tried next, tapping more gently. The egg cracked perfectly into the bowl. Dad gave them a whisk. "Now stir it up." Kim and Kingsley took turns whisking as the eggs turned fluffy. Dad helped them pour it into the pan, and soon, the kitchen was filled with a delicious smell. Kingsley sniffed the air. This smells like a 5-star restaurant." Step 4. Setting the table. With breakfast ready, Kim and Kingsley carefully set the table. They poured glasses of milk, placed the fruit, toast, and scrambled eggs on their plates. They added a little cheese on the side for extra flavor. Mom and Dad joined them, smiling proudly. "You two did an amazing job," Mom said. "This is the best breakfast ever," Kim said, taking a big bite. Kingsley grinned. "Tomorrow, can we make pancakes?" Kim laughed. "Only if you do the dishes." Dad chuckled. Teamwork makes the dream work. And so, their breakfast adventure ended, but their love for cooking had just begun. Moral of the story: breakfast is important, and learning to prepare it can be fun. A balanced meal with fruits, grains, and protein gives you energy to enjoy your day. And best of all, cooking together makes for wonderful family memories. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!